Former Public Works Secretary Manuel Bonoan and Candaba Mayor Rene Maglanque are facing an immigration lookout order and a subpoena from the Senate in connection with the ongoing controversy over flood control projects.
The two officials are said to be questioned about their involvement with MBB Global Properties Corporation, the contractor that handles some of the flood control projects in Bulacan. Henry Nicolas tells us more.
The Department of Public Works and Highways Secretary Vince Dizon has requested to the Department of Justice to immediately issue an Immigration Lookout Bulletin or ILBO against former DPWH Secretary Bonoan, Candaba Pampanga Mayor Rene Maglanque, and corporate officers of MBB Global Properties Corporation. This was done as part of the President's directive to hold accountable to those involved in irregularities in multi-billion peso flood control projects in the country. Also named for the Lookout Bulletin request is MBB Corporate Secretary Sunshine Bernardo. Dizon said his request also concerns key officers of the construction company who were allegedly involved in ghost projects and substandards projects. During the kapihan sa Senado, Senate Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman Senator Ping Lacson mentioned that Bonoan and Maglanque are set to be summoned in the next hearing to explain what he revealed in his privileged speech. Lacson said Bonoan questioned his relationship with Maglanque, which is a former president of Global Crete Builders and MBB Global Properties Corporation.
At the very least, kailangan mag-explain siya, no? Na meron pala siyang ugnayan sa isang malaking kontratista. No? Bakit nagkamal na napakaraming kontrata at sa Bulacan pa lamang, flood control pa lamang, 2.195 billion na. No?
Meanwhile, Dizon files a criminal case at the Ombudsman against the agency's former and incumbent officials and several contractors involved in the anomalous flood control projects in Bulacan. There are 25 respondents including Bulacan ex-district engineers Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, JP Mendoza, and big-time contractor Sara Discaya.
We will all get the justice that we all deserve as Filipinos. The President has assured us of that, and this is proof of that. Within 10 days po, wala pang 10 araw na pumasok tayo sa DPWH. Sabi ng Pangulo, bilisan, ito na po, binibilisan na po natin. At una pa lang po ito sa mas marami pang mga kasong parating. We will all...
This is Henry Nicolas for EuroTV News.
Hi, I'm Alvin Pelabello. Catch the late night news on EuroTV Newsthread, only here at EuroTV Philippines. You may also watch our delayed telecast at Pinoy Extreme Cable Channel. Also, don't forget to visit our website, eurotvph.com, for more news and information.